Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over subscription metrics. I'm currently in the subscription management module of the Inhouz Cloud platform. There are a couple places and a couple ways to see your metrics. One of the ways to see your metrics for your subscription services is through the metrics tab in this subscription management module. Here you can basically filter out based on your subscription services. And if you were to select a service, you could also filter out based on the payment tiers or the plans. And you could even filter out based on the organizations, right, who are signed up to your services. So, we give you a very, very wide, range, ways to filter. And obviously you can filter using custom dates, and you could switch between different currencies. Obviously, in our current setup, we have no data because it would involve spending real money. But basically, we in the metrics tab, you can expect to see your subscriber counts currently based on the date range, the subscriber counts today, daily active users, and just a ton of valuable metrics like MRR, ARR, the revenue charts, the recurring revenue chart, the subscriber tracker. Another way to track your metrics is through the payment metrics. This is in our metrics module, the metrics hub, where you have your web app metrics, API metrics, in-house site metrics. We have the payments metrics. So one of the payment origins, one of the many payment origins on the platform is subscription services. So if you were to, let's say, pick that as your payment origin, then you can then pick out the services, right, your external services. And then you could basically, filter based on the currency and the duration. You could also use custom dates. And you could see the total number of payments, pre-tax, total tax, number of payments. You can see a payment timeline. In our case, it's just a subscription service. So there's not going to be a product breakdown or a category breakdown. But you can see the device and the country of the subscribers. You can expect to see your MRR, ARR, your churn, net retention, number of subscribers, number of added subscribers, number of lost subscribers in that period, your MRR versus ARR charts, churn versus net retention timeline, subscriber metrics timeline, and you can see your sessions as well. So, this doesn't really factor in when it comes to your subscription metrics beyond maybe the time of sign up. But we have so many very, very detailed payment metrics. Now, not all of them are for subscriptions, but you can expect to get all your important subscription metrics. And here, in this environment, we just don't have any data. But if you did have data, you would see it displayed properly in your metrics charts. All right, that's it for this video. You can create subscription services. People can sign up. You can monetize. You could pay your subscribers, and you could track the whole thing using the many metrics modules. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.